Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you the histogram chart. Now, histogram is a little bit different from a bar chart, and in the way that in a bar chart, you kind of have like X and Y axis, right? So you got each of the elements that you're going to try and plot. So I'm going to say, let's just say, let me just reorganize this. So let's say I'm going to plot this into a bar chart. Just bring that over here, and let's just go insert. All right, it's going to look something like that. You got each of your elements at the bottom and the count at on the side, right? So pretty standard. A histogram is different in that it actually groups results together and it shows you the distribution of results. So you can see in this one, right, 1 to 15 means of the values that are 1 to 15, how many of them are actually between 1 and 15, and it's actually 55 entries. So this kind of shows you the distribution of your data set, okay? So the way to create it is, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. We're gonna go insert, we're gonna go to charts, and it's this one in the middle here, okay? And I'm just gonna do the first one, okay? Bring it over here, all right? And we're gonna go right click, select data, similar to the rest of them. We're gonna go add, all right? Series name, let's just say donut sold. And I'm going to collect all that. I'm going to go OK. And then let's scroll up a bit. Well, let's just go OK for now. Let's scroll up. And as you can see, it's distributed my information. So the maximum number in here is 113. Okay. And then it's going to do even increments as you go along. So I believe it's 14, increments of 14 from the looks of it. Okay. So it's actually showing me the number that shows up the most is actually within this range right here. Okay, so again, a little bit different from a bar chart, slightly different application, but it's a good way to see the distribution of results, especially if you have a lot of results. And also, if you were to try to do this in a bar chart, you'd have to do a lot of manual intervention, whereas in a histogram, it's just going to do it for you. Okay, so hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.